Asian stocks higher after Wall Street gains. File in this May 10, 2018 file. Photo signs for the New York Stock Exchange hang above the trading floor. The U.S. stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. EDT on Wednesday, June 6. AP photo, Mark Lenihan. File, Seoul, South Korea. AP, Asian stock markets rose Thursday following a rally on Wall Street as remarks by a European Central Bank board member eased worries about the new Italian government's spending plans. Keeping score, Japan's Nikkei 225 jumped 1% to 22,839.85 and the Shanghai Composite Index added 0.2% to 3,120.46. South Korea's Kospi was up 0.6% to 2,468.59 and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index advanced 0.5% to 31,414.27. In Australia, the S. Europe, the euro rose against the dollar after a European Central Bank board member said policymakers will discuss next week withdrawing its bond purchasing stimulus, suggesting the ECB wasn't overly worried about the new Italian government's plans. The remarks by executive board member Peter Praet suggested that next meeting on June 14 in Riga, Latvia, would bring hints at the end of the bond purchases. Currently, the bank says it will keep buying €30 billion, $35 billion, a month in bonds at least through September. Italy, the coalition of the Eurosceptic Five-Star Movement and the right-wing League Party won the second of two confidence votes in parliament required to begin governing. Financial markets worry its plans to spend more to help the poor might add to Italy's debt. Premier Giuseppe Conte, a political newcomer, makes his debut in the international arena at this week's Group of Seven meeting of major industrial nations in Canada. Analysts take overnight market action suggests investor confidence is growing, said Michael McCarthy of CMC Markets in a report. He said overnight gains on reports that the ECB would review unwinding its stimulus indicated belief that the economic drivers of higher interest rates were sufficiently strong to sustain asset prices. Currencies, the euro rose to $1.1789 from $1.1775. The dollar halted its rise against the Japanese yen, weakening to 109 yen and 94 sen from 110 yen and 18 sen. Wall Street, U.S. stocks rallied for a fourth day. The Standard. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.4% to 25,146.39. The Nasdaq Composite rose 0.7% to 7,689.24. The Nasdaq has set records each of the last few days. Oil, benchmark U.S. Crude added 22 cents to $64.95 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. It shed 1.2% to settle at $64.73 the previous session. Brent crude, used to price international oils, gained 22 cents to $75.58 per barrel in London. The contract lost 2 cents on Wednesday to settle at $75.36. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.